Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Amazfit Bip 5, a budget-friendly smartwatch designed for everyday health tracking and smart features. With a large display and long battery life, it aims to deliver strong value in 2026. So, is it worth buying? Let's find out. Design and build. The Amazfit Bip 5 has a lightweight and comfortable design. It sits nicely on the wrist and feels easy to wear all day. The plastic body keeps it light, and the silicone strap feels soft during workouts. It's also water-resistant, making it safe for daily use and light swimming. Display. One of the highlights is the large color display. The screen is bright, clear, and easy to read indoors and outdoors. Swiping through menus feels smooth, and text looks sharp. For a budget smartwatch, the display quality is impressive. Health tracking. The Bip 5 tracks the essential health metrics. It includes continuous heart rate monitoring. It supports SpO2 blood oxygen tracking. It monitors stress levels. It tracks steps, calories, and daily activity. Sleep tracking provides insights into light, deep, and REM sleep stages. For everyday health monitoring, it performs reliably. Fitness and sports. The watch supports multiple workout modes like running, walking, cycling, treadmill, and more. It automatically detects some activities. There is no built-in GPS, so outdoor tracking uses your phone's GPS. For casual fitness users, this setup works well. Smart features. You receive call and message notifications. Music control is available. Weather updates and alarms are included. Some quick reply features are supported depending on your phone. It's not a full smartwatch with apps, but it covers the basics. Battery life. Battery life is one of the strongest features. With normal use, it can last up to 14 days on a single charge. Even with heavy usage, you can expect around a week of battery life. That means less charging and more tracking. App experience. The Zepp app is clean and easy to use. Health data is clearly organized. You can view trends and progress over time. No subscription is required for core features. Final verdict. The Amazfit Bip 5 is a reliable budget smartwatch in 2026. It offers a large display, solid health tracking, and excellent battery life. It's a great choice for everyday users who want smart features without paying a premium price.